Welcome to our channel SB Components, and the product which we are going to talk about in this video is a case designed for multiple Raspberry Pi models, and the models which can be fitted in the case are Raspberry Pi 2, Raspberry Pi 3 and 3B+. The case is a two-piece injection molded ABS enclosure that snaps together around the Raspberry Pi and holds the board firmly. And our case comes in 5 variants. One is black, white, blue, green and clear. It is a very handy case and easy to open. You have to place your Raspberry Pi in it, and in a gentle push it will get to this position. Close it, and in this video we are using Raspberry Pi 3B+, and it is a snap fitted case. Screws are not required, but still if you want to add for better fitting you can, as there are holes provided. And also it is a open case. Pins, ports, audio ports, MIPI, camera, display, everything is accessible. Additional features are the case is wall mountable, and an extra section is provided for ventilation and heat release, and also an extra support is there to prevent scratches on the case. And also it is easy to open, and like this you can remove your Raspberry Pi. And that's it. If you find this product useful, get yourself one from our shop. The link will be provided in the description box, and do check out our other useful products. Thank you.